In this video, I will show you how to count cells equal to a specific text in case-sensitive manner in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some fruits in this column. Now I want to count the cells that contain the text apple. We can use the COUNTIF function to count the cells equal to apple like this, but it returns the count of all the cells containing that text regardless of the case. As you can see, it counted the cells containing the apple text in upper, lower and mixed cases. In short, this COUNTIF formula is not case sensitive. To count the cells equal to a specific text while also matching the case, we need to use the sum product and exit functions. Here is the formula to do that. The exit function compares two strings and returns true if and only if they are exactly the same, including their case. It returns false otherwise. This part of the formula uses the exit function to compare all the cells in the given range with the apple text. It returns an array of 5 elements containing false, false, true, false and false. The true value is returned if the cell matches with the given text exactly, including the case, and the false value is returned if the cell does not. Since there is only one cell that matches with the capital Apple text in the given range, we got the array containing 1 true and 4 false values. Here, the true value indicates that the third cell in the given range matched with the given text exactly, while rest of the cells did not. For the sum product function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We can do that by applying the double negative minus minus. After applying the double negative, we get an array of 5 elements containing 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0. Once we get an array of 1s and 0s, the sum product function will sum it up and the result of that is 1. As you can see, we now have the count of cells equal to a value in a case-sensitive manner. The cells containing the same text but different cases are not included in this count. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.